In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize rows and columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're handling a simple spreadsheet or managing a complex dataset, knowing how to adjust the size of your rows and columns is essential for clarity and organization. Let's dive into it. First off, resizing rows and columns couldn't be simpler. A quick and intuitive method is to manually drag and adjust. You'll want to hover your cursor over the line that separates the column letters or row numbers. Once you see the cursor change to a double-headed arrow, click and drag the line to your desired size. This method allows you to visually adjust and immediately see the impact on your sheet, making it perfect when you just need a quick tweak. If you're looking for a more precise approach, Google Sheets has got you covered. Start by clicking either the column letter or the row number of the line you want to adjust. Once it's highlighted, do a right-click to bring up the context menu. From this menu, select Resize Column or Resize Row, depending on your choice. You'll be greeted by a window where you can enter a specific value in pixels for the size you want. If you're unsure about the exact size, but want it to fit snugly around your data, there's an option to Fit to Data, which automatically resizes based on the content, maximizing your sheet's readability and efficiency. Now, suppose you're working with multiple rows and columns. Instead of repeating the resizing steps one at a time, Google Sheets allows you to select all the rows and columns you intend to adjust at once. With these selected, you can drag any one of the lines, or right-click to set your size in pixels using the same steps we just discussed. This saves time, especially when rearranging hefty datasets or preparing a clean report. And here's a neat little shortcut for you. If at any point you need to resize based on the data's content, simply double-click between the dividers of column letters or row numbers. Like magic, Google Sheets will auto-fit the row or column size to perfectly enclose your data. This quick double-click trick is surprisingly effective for a tidier, more organized sheet with just a simple gesture. To sum up, resizing rows and columns in Google Sheets is a straightforward task that you can easily master. Whether you prefer the manual dragging method for quick adjustments, or need the precision of entering specific pixel values, or rely on the automatic fit-to-data options, you have plenty of tools at your disposal to make your spreadsheets as effective and visually appealing as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident navigating this aspect of Google Sheets.